guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Emily and I'm an illustrator and a content creator kind of, and I have a studio here in Manchester. In today's video I thought I would do something a little bit different. Hang on, my glasses are very dirty. It's a great way to start the video, isn't it? Okay, let's try again. That's better, I can see you now. So I normally do studio vlogs. I normally kind of document what I get up to here in the studio, packaging orders, creating new products, things like that. And I saw a challenge online that I really wanted to try, and I thought it would be really good to document it. If you've been with me for a while, you'll know that I'm a digital illustrator. I do everything on a tablet. I don't have any sketchbooks. I don't draw with pens and pencils. And I found this challenge by Blink Lettering, the wonderful Millie at Blink Lettering. She has put together this 7-day drills challenge to teach you how to do the basics in calligraphy. One of the main things I watch on TikTok and things is calligraphy videos. I don't know about anyone else, and I'm just so fascinated with it. It's such a beautiful art to be able to do it, and this free challenge is online, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to do it this week. It starts today, the 1st of March, and it runs all week. So I'm going to be filming every day with different challenge to show you what is asked of me. And we'll see if by the end of the week I can actually write something nicely. I don't have the best handwriting. Some people tell me that my handwriting is so free and loose, and I think that's code for messy. So hopefully this teaches me to, yeah, just to be able to do it and learn the basics. So before we get started, I needed to buy some pens because, I mean, I have pens, but I don't have anything fancy. So I messaged Millie and I said, okay, you need to give me a list of things that I should be buying. She sent me a list and I just basically bought everything. So let me go and get the package. So it actually arrived on Friday and it came so quickly, I wasn't sure like what it was. So I have ripped the box open, but I haven't actually looked inside. I just looked to check what it was. You could do this challenge digitally. I could have done it in Photoshop, but I would test myself. Right, so, oh, okay. Yeah, so I bought all these things from Cult Pens. I will leave a link for them below. I think I get like a referral code, so I'll leave details of that below if you want to get some money off. I have bought 6 items. Okay, let's see. So first up, I bought myself a pad to actually do the challenge in, and I was recommended this one by Millie. It's the Rhodia dot pad. I got it in A4 size, and yeah, it has dots inside. So that will be really good to practice in. Okay, I also got some free love hearts, so thanks Cult Pens. And then in here are the pens that I've ordered. So I've gone with 5 different pens. There were more that I wanted, but I didn't want to go too crazy. Right, oh my gosh. Okay, so the first pens that Millie told me to get, and she said that they were her absolute favourite, was the Pentel Brush Sign Pen. So I bought 2 of them. I bought one in Blue Violet, which I think will be nice. And then this one is just the pink. So these are her favourite ones to use, so I knew I had to get those. Then I also got the Zebra Midliner Brush, double-ended, and I got it in pink rose colour, which is that one. So it comes with like 2 ends to it, I think. Yeah, there we go, that end, and then this one. Put that. And then these 2 are the Tombow. She did message me and tell me what they were, hang on. Tombow colour brush pen. I don't know. This is all new to me, guys. And I don't know what actual colours they are, but the numbers are 620 and 623, which you can see there. And as you can see, they're just nice lilacs and pink and purples. So those are the 5 pens that I have bought for this challenge. I could have gone crazy. I could have bought loads more. But what I liked about the website was I didn't have to buy packs of the pens. I could buy individual ones, which was good. So when I find one that I like, I might then buy a pack of them. So I have my 5 pens and my pad, and I've just been sent the email for the first day. Hi guys, future Emily here. This is editing Emily. I just wanted to jump in because there's a bit of a jump here now. So what you're about to watch is me doing all 7 days of this challenge. I filmed every single day, but I didn't talk over the top of it. So what I did yesterday was film kind of a voiceover reaction. So that's what you're about to see, the 7 days with me chatting over the top. I hope you enjoy. Okay, day one, let's get into it. I first of all read through the tip sheet that was given with day one, sorry. Just to show me like what I'm gonna learn this week. And the first thing was the entrance stroke, which is kind of the up light stroke. Yeah, these were okay. This one and the next one, which is the full pressure stroke down, they were okay. I wasn't amazing, but Millie's guides really helped me. So I guess this is the most basic stroke. And then the bonus exercise was to mix the two together. Now, I realised that the key is to do one stroke, stop, rearrange yourself and do another one. That really helped me. Before I would have done it as one continuous stroke, but I realised you can't do that because you have to adjust your hand to do it properly. So as you can see, I'm doing all right when I've got Millie's guides. You'll see that throughout the week. But I decided once I'd done a little bit on the worksheet to start filling in my new notepad. So yeah, I tried out the different pens, but you'll also see throughout this week that I had a favourite pen, or two favourite pens. So trying these ones didn't last very long. Yeah. So yeah, so that was day one. I think I did all right. Not amazing. Okay, day two. This is where things got difficult. The overturn. This is where you have to adjust your pressure as you're going through the stroke. I tried to use my pink pen here. I wasn't loving it. You'll see, I'm sure I switch it up. Yeah, there we go. Again, with Millie's guides, I could do it, but as soon as I had to do it myself, I just can't. I think I preferred this one, the underturn, where you start with the more pressure and then lighten it. But again, I remember really struggling with my hand shaking, and I'm going too fast. This is what I've realised throughout the week. You need to slow down. So day two, again, I'm trying my purple pen, but I don't like the purple pens. It's just too much for such a small little pad. So like you can see, I've moved to the blue pen. I'm just not good at this. Look, I mean, it doesn't look awful, but it's definitely not great. I was just lack of confidence without the guides for me. So it's going to take lots of practice. But now we're on day three. So day three was this compound curve. So you kind of take your overturns and like join them. So this was going fine, but can you see like my arm was starting to hurt. Again, I think I was worrying too much about doing like one perfect stroke, whereas like stopping, rearranging your hand as you go through is probably your best bet. But yeah, look at that, it's such a mess. It's not good. That is not good. That is, no, yeah, I didn't edit that very well, but it wasn't great. So I mean, I'm okay. Like, this is the thing, like I get it. But all of the curves, they just all look different. There's no uniform. Do you know what I mean? So a lot more practice needs to happen with those. But again, I'm going too fast. Okay, day four. I think I did these sheets in the wrong order, but here we are. This is the reverse oval. So kind of starting light, putting pressure on, and then ending light. Oh, it's not my thing. I mean, again, with these guides, I can do it. This part now, taking the guides away, look, I lose all confidence. I don't know what I'm doing. So, yeah, it doesn't look great, does it? It's not quite TikTok worthy yet, is it? It's fine, lots of practice, but I'm getting it. I'm understanding with the ovals, like yeah, let's see how I do it in this notepad. And oh, that's not great. It could be better. And then this is the other way. I think I prefer doing it that way Is that the oval or is that a reverse oval? I don't know. Yeah. I'm just going too fast. Going too fast. Okay, day 5. I liked day 5. Day 5 was stem loops. Which watching this back actually don't look very good, but I did enjoy doing them, kind of starting loose and then just putting pressure on. Yeah, I like doing these, and I felt, if I remember correctly, I did all right with them. That's not too bad, is it? Oh, that was a bit dodgy. Yeah. The guides are so helpful. Why can't we have guides in life? Just all times. Millie, can you just be my guide? Okay, that does, oh yeah. Doesn't look great, does it? There's just no uniformity to it. Is that a word? Uniformity. Okay, so day 5, let's see how it looks in the notepad. Oh, that looked alright. Let's try the other way. Oh yeah, I mean, I think I'm doing alright. I mean, could be worse. But can you see, these 2 pens are my favourites, and these are the favourites of Millie at the beginning. She told me that they were her favourites too. Okay, day 6. Oh, I didn't like day 6. Day 6 was miscellaneous drills, some weird things going on. I didn't mind doing this like little L shape. I thought that was quite, I thought I did alright with that. But this next thing, what is that? Did not enjoy doing that at all. I don't know what that's meant to be. I don't know what I'm meant to do. Nope, didn't like that. Didn't like that at all. So yeah, these were just sort of shorter little drills to do, different shapes, like S kind of shapes, and I'm assuming it's like where letters would like join together and things. But I was doing all right. I mean, oh my god, look at the S above what I'm doing right now. Like, it just wasn't staying in the lines. Like, what was I doing? My brain just obviously wasn't working. It was like I was juggling loads of plates. So I'm like doing pressure, trying to keep in the lines, trying to keep them neat, and it's like my brain's like, too much going on. So I really, yeah, I admire anybody that does calligraphy now, even more. Because there's a lot of things going on in your head at the same time. So yeah, day 6, getting all of my little miscellaneous drills in there. Kind of like doing that. I thought that was quite fun. They don't look too bad, do they? This L, I enjoyed doing the L. But then this weird shape coming up. This one, oh, it's blurred out. It's probably, that's good really. Not the best. So yeah. So that is day 1 to 6. And then day 7 was like a recap day. So you went through the sheet and just did everything that you had done in the whole week. What was good was to go back to day 1 and 2 after doing the whole week. I felt a bit more confident in my strokes. Might not look it, but I did. So yeah, it's been a really interesting week. And I feel like I've learned a lot. I've learned a lot about calligraphy in terms of how patient you need to be, how slow you need to go at it. Yeah, it's not a race, and I think I've watched a lot of videos in fast forward or like really fast, because I was just going too fast doing it. You have to go really slow. So yeah, it's been good. It's been good doing it. I'm so glad I've done it. I've definitely gained confidence doing it, let's just say that. I've gained more confidence, but it will also help my illustration and my line art. So yeah, I'm really thrilled that I did it. So there we go, the challenge is complete. I did 7 days, and I don't think I did too great. I have a lot of practicing to do. I'm gonna keep it up because there's just gonna be so many benefits to learning these drills and getting good at them. So I'm going to leave all of Millie's details below where you can take part in this 7-day challenge. It's completely free. She also has a 30-day challenge starting in April, which she hasn't asked me to talk about, but I'm going to. It's called Lowercase Letters in 30 Days. So she's going to show you, like, so it's kind of taking these 7-day drills, but to the next level. She's going to show you how to do the whole alphabet, which looks amazing. So go and check out the 7-day drill challenge because you get a little discount code on the 30-day challenge. Again, she's not asked me to chat about this. I just want to get it out there. In terms of the pens, I will link all the pens below that I bought. These two were my favourite, which are brush sign pen, so I will kind of make them clear which ones these ones are, so go and check those out. And yeah, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. It wasn't my best work, but it was really fun to do. If you have any challenges you want me to take part in, please leave them below. I would love to check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.